This channel is for people that seek mental freedom, that seek to meet the Lord, people who believe in Jesus, his resurrection, people who love nature, and it is for the ones that are willing to throw off the Western world knowledge for the ancient world knowledge, because everything that they are teaching us is wrong. And many beliefs of the modern society is wrong. So we need to first protect our soul, protect our lives, become sustainable, economically, in a full meaning, not only financially. And we need to protect ourselves, because the government will try to fuck us up and the society will crumble apart soon. Protect yourselves and keep your loved ones very close.